This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Kittle. You do not want to miss this one. This newly renovated home boasts too many updates to list them all. New windows, paint, and flooring throughout. Brand new Ikea kitchen includes stainless steel appliances, and you will love the gorgeous half bath that has been added to the main floor. New gas logs in the living room provide for cozy fall evenings. Beautiful built-in cabinet in dining room, clawfoot tub and updated full bath, 3 good-sized bedrooms, fenced backyard, detached garage, and more. Call today, it won't last long. For more information, review the details below.